Delhi police has requested and in fact appealed to the protesting doctors to go back to their hostel rooms and abide by yellow alert guidelines in the national capital. But it seems to be a veiled warning by the cops. The cops have asked doctors to abide by COVID protocols and reminding them of yellow alert in the national capital. They've also told them that they may take action if the doctors do not follow guidelines.
But the DDA guideline is not visual at all. These days, are you waiting कि आप जल्दी से यहाँ रेड अलर्ट लागू हो जाए, जल्दी से यहाँ पे सारा कुछ रेस्क्यू लग जाए? Are you waiting for this, or you want to maintain the system?
We have with us the president of FODA at this point, Dr. Manish. We just learned that the police had come and had a conversation with you. Could you tell us a little more about it? Because they were saying to us that there's a yellow alert that has been sounded and was communicated to you.
Yeah, they have come to inform us that regarding the yellow alert that has been posted last night in Delhi and has instructed us not to do any kind of social gathering and to discontinue our protest because COVID cases are increasing. So regarding that, we are going to have one meeting at 1 p.m. with all the RDAs of Delhi, and then we will decide the future course of action.
मनीष जी, ये भी कहा जा रहा था कि अगर पालन ना हुआ कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स का कि एक्शन भी हो सकता है डॉक्टर्स के अगेंस्ट.
बिल्कुल, उन्होंने बता दिया है कि अगर आप फॉलो नहीं करेंगे प्रोटोकॉल्स को तो सेक्शन 188 इम्पोज लगाया जा सकता है आपके ऊपर. तो उसके रिगार्डिंग हमारी 1 बजे मीटिंग है, देखते हैं इसको हम आगे कैसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं.
पर डिसकंटिन्यू करने की बात कही थी उन्होंने, तो आप इसको किस तरह से देखेंगे इस वक्त पे?
नहीं, डिसकंटिन्यू का तभी हमने कुछ बोला ही नहीं, हमें तो कंटिन्यू करना, हम तरीका ढूंढेंगे कैसे हम कर सकते हैं.
Meanwhile, a petition has been filed in the top court over the doctors' protest over the NEET PG counselling matter. The plea has appealed to the Supreme Court to take suo cognizance of the case. Plea also seeks preponement of hearing on the NEET PG matter from January 6th, which is the original hearing date. The petition has asked for action on cops who reportedly manhandled doctors. This comes at a time when talks between doctors and centre remain inconclusive. Resident doctors have said they will continue their protest until they get a written apology from the police and FIR against them is quashed. Let me go back to my colleague Alok for more. Alok, actually, more than the Supreme Court matter at the moment, let's go back to the cops issue. The Delhi police is in fact giving a sort of veiled warning to the doctors right now, saying yellow alert guidelines are in place in the national capital. You can't crowd the streets of Delhi. Please head back to your hostels. Are the doctors looking at this as a veiled warning?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, the doctors, resident doctors, they are very much inside the hostel. In fact, they are meeting among themselves inside their hostel. Despite that, the police entered inside and they issued the warning to them not to gather, not to crowd inside the hostel premises. So the doctors are saying that why the police is not allowing them to stand inside their hostel premises and talk to them. Now the police has issued the warning. The doctors have said that yes, they will hold the talks inside the hostel, but they will not come outside the hostel and they will not hold the protest. This is what the doctors have made some promise to the police right now. But the doctors are saying that they are still under discussion and they are discussing among themselves what should be the next course of action at this point in time. Remember, from today, since morning, doctors are saying that their strike is very much continue and they want a written apology from the police side. In fact, when we try to talk to the senior officers of Delhi police, they say that they have already tendered their verbal apology. But they haven't decided to tender any written apology. So right now the doctors are still still stands on their demand that they want the written apology from the police, and also the cases which are registered against them, that should also be taken back. In fact, outside the Safdarjung hospital, you can see the police vehicle is still outside, and there are a lot of police personnel standing around the hospital. In fact, at all the gates of the hospital, the police personnel are standing. At all the hospitals, this way the police personnel are standing. And yesterday also we saw that when the doctors came back, when the doctors were inside the Safdarjung hospital, they were not allowed to go outside to hold any protest because the police is taking all precautionary measures. Remember, on Monday there was a scuffle broke out between the police and the doctors in which the violence happened. So at one side the police is trying to ensure that there is no law and order happen, and also they are trying to maintain that the DDMA guidelines should not be violated. Remember, the cases of COVID has also been increased. So if the gathering happens, then definitely there is a threat of spreading the coronavirus. This is what the DDMA said, and this is what the police is also trying to ensure. Right now, what the next course of action of the doctors, we have to wait for a few minutes or for a few hours because the doctors are holding talks inside their hostel.
Alok, as you very rightly pointed out, I mean, the doctors had in fact asked for a written apology from the police, but on the police, on the other hand, besides, I mean, no question of a written apology yet, I guess, but instead they're giving veiled warnings now to the doctors to actually head back to their hostels, but of course citing COVID norms in the national capital and saying that you need to go back. Remember, of course, the COVID norms which have been imposed by the Delhi government. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has in fact shown solidarity with the doctors, writing and appealing to the Prime Minister saying, please resolve the issue as soon as possible. But this is what is happening at the moment. No end to the drama that we can see in Delhi as far as the doctor strike is concerned. Alok, thank you so much for joining us with that.